why did we start this program? Why did we start supporting these community-based organizations 5 years ago? What was the reasoning or purpose that we felt we would give them this funding through an application process?
When we originally looked into this program, one of the things that we started to recognize that there were needs on the part of our members that we simply couldn't provide. We were not an organization that was providing those particular services, and many of them were social in nature. So as such, we looked closely at ways in which we might be able to assist programs like this that we thought would serve our members in a different way in which we were currently serving them. We had no idea how popular or what level of need we would experience coming through this. 5 years ago, we probably started with a handful of organizations. Today, we have well over 50. And that tells us that this program not only has been well received, but more importantly, has addressed a need in the community.
What is it exactly that these community-based organizations do to serve the county of Kern and its communities? What's their mission and goal as a community-based organization? What are the things and what is it that they do and why do they exist in our county?
Well, they do many and varied things that when you look at our community and you size up the need in the community, it is not uncommon that based particularly among the low-income population, that there are extenuating circumstances or there are a lack of services that aren't available unless there is somebody like a community-based organization to step up and provide. We see that in a variety of ways, whether it's homeless shelters, whether it's food pantries, or other types of organizations similar to that. When we look at this issue from our perspective, we know that when you look at healthcare and you look at the circumstances around where their health is impacted, it goes beyond just their clinical or medical needs. It goes into their social needs as well, because we all understand now the social determinants of health can have as big an impact on one's well-being as can their medical condition. So having said that, what we look to is try to find or identify organizations within the community that can complement what we do medically for our clients. But by extension, because it just isn't our clients who have this need, we include the entire Kern County. So we want to support organizations like that.
Again, as we celebrate 5 years, there has been 74 different organizations that have received funding through this program, over $300,000 that have been given to help support these community-based organizations. As we celebrate the 5-year anniversary of this program, what is it that would make you, the whole plan of Kern Health Systems, the board of directors, how does it make you proud to be a CEO of an organization that truly makes that kind of difference in surrounding communities in Kern County?
Well, you're correct in giving the board credit. When we envisioned the program initially, we were very concerned about whether or not it's within the mission of our organization to use our finances to support these other organizations within the community, despite the fact that we see the need. I credit really the board in stepping up and saying to management, look, these are important organizations, and to the extent we can, why don't we see what we can do to assist them in delivering on what it is that they do for the community. That gave us the latitude, of course, to start to explore many and varied organizations within the community. As a result of that, and as you so aptly pointed out, the program has grown tremendously, for which we're very proud. We only wish we could do more. We plan to continue to provide this means as long as it's feasible for us to do so. We get a great deal of satisfaction in knowing, as a corporate citizen, we are doing our part to assist organizations like this, which are so vital in meeting a void in the community that cannot be met other than through these types of organizations.
Absolutely, and especially during this time, an unprecedented time with COVID-19. But awesome, cheers to that, and hopefully we'll look forward to celebrating the 10-year anniversary of the CBO program. Thank you, Doug, for your time. Thanks for giving us some background in regards to this program and why KHS does it. And hopefully we'll be able to move forward in continuing to support our CBOs here locally in Kern County.